Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XOG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, this thing is what I would, definitely just classify as a total pump and dump. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's look at where, the big breakout occurred today, and that breakout occurred right here when the price got up above that 35-cent mark, right? I mean, just as a quick recap, the price had really been struggling with 35 cents, struggled right there, and then broke above it, and you can see from there it just skyrocketed. So that was the breakout, right? That was where the really nice move started. And a pump and dump, per my definition, is the price makes a really nice move, gets some sort of breakout, and then all of a sudden, within a relatively small amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. So let's focus on the second part of that definition. All this is supposed to be happening within a relatively small amount of time. Well, considering all this price movement happened in the same exact day, hopefully we can agree that this did, all occur in a very small amount of time. And then the final part of that definition is the price goes back to where it started. Where did we say it started? Well, we said we started at that green line there because that's where the breakout began. But look where the price closed, right there, actually below where that level went. So to kind of just nutshell this in a very more straightforward way, price made a huge move up, great movement, and then price went right back to where it essentially began. If that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. So point here being, if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside now, that main level of resistance is going to be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. Keyword being right there, the key level there being defined as 35 cents. And then as far as next important areas of support are concerned, that sits right down there at 32 cents. And you can see 32 cents has several occasions provided support. So, I mean, if the price goes down to that level and breaks through there, that would be a really, really nasty situation. So we'll have to see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.